A Send Garage Door Opener Mahwah NJ service needs to be used in case you have any kind of a garage door issue. For example, you don't want the door being simple to just slide open when you're not home because someone could attempt to enter your home doing this. Robbers search for weaknesses in homes, of course. If they notice your garage door no longer working well, they can think it's fair game to interrupt in the home through the garage. That's good reasons to deal with us without delay. And it's a pain to have a garage door that doesn't work because then it's difficult to do such things as park in your garage.